Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. You need to start by opening Settings and clicking on Display and Brightness. After that, scroll down just a bit to tap on Font and Display Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on Font Size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!